Unlock the secrets of endless automation with this simple trick to build an infinite redstone repeater loop in Minecraft. First, grab your materials redstone dust, at least for redstone repeaters, and a lever. Any solid block will also work. Start by placing two blocks right next to each other. Leave a 1-block gap. This is where we will start to build the loop. Next, place redstone dust on top of both blocks. This is essential to get the signal to transmit. Now, position your redstone repeaters in a square, ensuring they face each other. Leave one side open to connect the circuit. Place the final repeater in the open space, completing the square. All the repeaters should be connected to one another. Click on each repeater a few times to add a small delay. Experiment with different delay settings for varied signal speeds. Place a lever next to the redstone dust. Flick the lever on, then quickly off. If done correctly, the redstone dust should now be constantly lit up, indicating an infinite loop. If it's not working, break the loop and try again from step 1, making sure the repeaters are facing each other. Congratulations, you've created an infinite redstone repeater loop now. Unleash your creativity and automate your builds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more redstone tips and tricks.